Sedona is jam-packed full of amazing hikes, and the good thing is that not all of them are difficult. In this video, we will be going over 5 easy Sedona hikes. We will be starting our list at Fay Canyon. This trail is 2.1 miles long with 144 feet of elevation gain. It is a nice easy stroll, and it has a little bit of a bonus in case you're looking for a little bit more adventure. This side trail is totally optional, but it takes you up to a beautiful arch. This arch will give you gorgeous views out over the canyon and shade if you're visiting on a warm day. If you are staying on the main trail, it will be smooth sailing with only some rocky steps to add to the difficulty. Once you reach the end, there is a hill that you can climb up for another gorgeous canyon view. Overall, Fay Canyon is a great place to start if you've never been to Sedona before and you want to find out what their trails are all about. Number 2 on this list is the Baldwin Trail. This hike is 2.7 miles long with 249 feet of elevation gain. This hike is just a tiny bit more strenuous than the Fay Canyon Trail with some climbs, but you won't find anything too difficult here. All of the effort is well worth it because you will be getting spectacular views of the backside of Cathedral Rock. And if you don't mind adding another 0.4 of a mile to your hike, you can take this fork to head over to Oak Creek where you can take a dip. We were visiting on a day where it was in the upper 80s, and swimming here was well worth the extra 0.4 of a mile. The Baldwin Trail is an excellent choice for beginner hikers who are looking to get a little bit further out there in nature. The third hike on the list is the Birthing Cave Trail. This trail is 2 miles long with 232 feet of elevation gain, and most of that is at the very end. The vast majority of this trail is nice and flat, but if you want to get all the way up to the Birthing Cave, you will have this steep hike, so good shoes are recommended. Once you reach the top of this climb though, you will see why this spot is very popular. From up here, you will have great views of Capitol Butte, Wilson Mountain, and a formation known as the Fin. Next on the list, we have Courthouse Butte and the Bell Rock Loop. This is the longest hike on this list with a distance of 3.7 miles and an elevation gain of 337 feet. Bell Rock and Courthouse Butte are 2 prominent rock formations in Sedona, and it's great that there is a trail that allows you to get a good look at both of them. This trail also has a lot of connectors, so if you're feeling energized, you can make the hike longer if you want to. And another great thing about this trail is that it is popular enough that if you get into trouble, someone should be coming along sometime soon, but it's not overly crowded. If you are looking for an amazing place to spend sunset in Sedona, you can try to time it right and do the official Bell Rock climb at the end of the hike. But if that's too spicy for you, worry not, because sunset is beautiful anywhere along this trail. But take our advice, and if you're going to be out there around sunset, don't forget your flashlight. And the last item on this list may be a little bit hard to call a hike. It is the Raven Caves Trail, also known as the Sedona Caves. This short hike is only half of a mile long with 55 feet of elevation gain. After a fairly short hike with some rolling hills, you will need to down climb to get to the caves, but as long as you take your time and maybe help your friends out, you should be just fine. The first time that we found the caves, we figured that this was about as deep as it went, but boy were we wrong. This cave system is split up into 2 different sections. Even if you can only explore the first section, the hike will be worth it. But if you are comfortable making the slightly sketchy jump over to the second section, you will be in for much more of a treat. One of the things that we love about this cave is that it has several windows that look out over the Sedona wilderness. There are definitely plenty of photo ops in here, but please remember, if you visit any of these hikes or anywhere else in Sedona, please be sure to clean up after yourself. And with that, our list of 5 easy hikes in Sedona has come to a close. What do you think? Did we miss anything? If so, let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Maybe hit that new hype button. And for all the information about these hikes, as well as other awesome Sedona adventures, head on over to 𝐿𝑖𝑣𝑒𝑡ℎATadventure.com.